Alrighty, so today, guys, I have to thank all of you because you thought this would never happen. I know, but let me show you something. So as you can see, Lila has 32 subscribers. If you don't believe me, let me reset the page so you can see. I can't reset the page, but I can. Sorry, guys, I think it's really slow, but look, I can go back, push this. As you can see, she has 32 subscribers. Pretty nice, but you guys remember when she had 25 and I had 12? But yeah, let's see how much subscribers I have now. Let's go on here. She has 32, remember that. Look what I have. 33. It's not a joke. Let me reset the page. Sorry, I went off video for a second, but look. I reset the page. Let's see it now. It says 33. So, we just gained like 20 subscribers when Lila only gained like 5. I'm not trying to hate on Lila, but I'm just saying we were doing this battle and everybody thought Lila was just going to beat me forever. Well, I need to thank you guys because I'm pushing away. It's probably because I've been posting videos a lot, like 9 minutes ago, 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago. Look back down, one day, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. I've been trying to push you guys so much to subscribe to me, and it worked out. I'm beating Lila on my subscriber count now, and it's probably just because she hasn't done a video in a month, but I gotta thank you guys so much. We're beating Lila in subscribers. We're beating Lila in subscribers. When I started YouTube, she already had 20, so thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and thank you so much. By the way, Lila's so jealous.